Protease, lipase, amylase, and gelatinase. No, those aren't paleontological periods of time. Rather, they are the 4 classes of digestive enzymes in our bodies. They're responsible for stimulating the chemical reactions that take place during digestion. It would be an understatement to say that they are an important piece of our overall health and well-being. They are extremely important for avoiding illnesses as well as getting over them. Enzymes are mostly proteins, but some are made up of both protein and non-protein material. But what happens if you don't have enough enzymes in your body? It can lead to lethargy and anemia. Too much sugar and artificial ingredients in our foods can bring about an enzyme deficiency. Medications can also strip us of these ever-important reactors. So, what should you do to avoid such a drop in enzymes? Make sure that you have an enzyme-rich diet by adding the following foods to your weekly grocery list. Avocados, high in what's often called good fat. Avocados contain lipase that helps the body break down fat. Studies point to the ability of lipase to relieve heartburn as well, so it's a great idea to dice up this trendy fruit that helps in digestion and promotes healthy skin. Pineapples, another fruit that has a rough exterior but a fantastic taste, is high in enzymes. The pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties, serves as a coagulant, and fights the growth of some tumors. It can, however, be highly acidic, so don't overdo it. Bananas. You won't need a knife to peel this fruit, but that doesn't mean it lacks in enzymes. It doubles up in that department, containing both maltase and amylase. Maltase breaks down sugar in our bodies, while amylase breaks down carbs. One begins working as soon as we start chewing the banana, and the other kicks in shortly thereafter. If you're run down or find yourself quickly tired out, a banana could be the pick-me-up you need. Papayas. Papain, or papaya proteinase, is a cysteine protease enzyme present in the tropical fruit known as the papaya. Papain is one of the most powerful enzymes found in the digestive process that breaks down proteins, including the meat that we eat. Papayas have a soft texture with a sweet taste, but can be greatly beneficial on the enzymatic level. Sauerkraut. Non-pasteurized sauerkraut has a ton of health benefits, including probiotics. The enzymes present in this fermented food join forces with the good bacteria producing probiotics to maintain a healthy and balanced digestive tract. Try other fermented vegetables for variety while preserving your much-needed enzyme intake. Sprouts. When beans begin to grow, they sprout, and in doing so, they release all kinds of vitamins and minerals. They also mobilize the enzymes that have been lying dormant in the beans or nuts. These raw foods like soybean sprouts or alfalfa sprouts allow our bodies to benefit from the process that nature has already unlocked for us. Part of the digestive process is done once the beans become sprouts because the enzymes are mobilized. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.